What is the value of the expression 6 minus open parenthesis 52 divided by 26 times 2 close parenthesis and multiplied by 2 squared? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is so tricky that 99% of people get the wrong answer. Let's go through this question step by step and solve it together. To solve this question, many people first go straight to the parentheses and start with the division between 52 and 26. So, they rewrite this expression as 6 minus 2 times 2 inside the parentheses, then multiply by 2 squared. And the next step, they perform the multiplication between 2 and 2 and simplify this expression to 6 minus 4 multiplied by 2 squared. Then, they move on to the subtraction between 6 and 4 and write this expression as 2 multiplied by 2 squared. And the final step, they go to the exponent and replace this expression with 2 multiplied by 4, which finally gives them the answer 8. And they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option C. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question again go straight to the parentheses. But this time, they start with the multiplication between 26 and 2 because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, they rewrite this expression as 6 minus 52 divided by 52 inside the parentheses, then multiply by 2 squared. And the next step, they perform the division between 52 and 52 and simplify this expression to 6 minus 1 multiplied by 2 squared. Next, they go to the exponent and simplify to 6 minus 1 multiplied by 4. And the final step, they perform the multiplication between 1 and 4 because they believe multiplication has priority over subtraction. So, they rewrite this expression as 6 minus 4, which eventually gives them the answer 2. Then, they quickly say that option B is the correct answer to this question. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We should perform these operations exactly in order from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS rule. Okay, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a subtraction sign, then parentheses, after that we have a multiplication sign, and finally an exponent. So, we must start with the parentheses first, because parentheses have the highest priority compared to the other operations. And inside the parentheses, first we have a division sign and then a multiplication sign. It's very important to remember that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this situation, we must start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, we begin with the division between 52 and 26. And this expression simplifies to 6 minus 2 times 2 inside the parentheses, then multiply by 2 squared. And the next step, we perform the multiplication between 2 and 2 and write this expression as 6 minus 4 multiplied by 2 squared. And the following step, it's time to handle the exponent because according to the PEMDAS rule, after parentheses, exponent has the highest priority compared to the other operations. So, this expression becomes 6 minus 4 multiplied by 4. And the final step, we perform the multiplication between 4 and 4 and simplify this expression to 6 minus 16, which finally gives us the answer negative 10. That's great. Option A is the correct answer to this question.